Great morning vlog. Today is Wednesday, June 14th. I am at the track, y'all. I have to make some changes with this body. So I am at the track. I am just about done. I just started this week, so I'm only doing 2 miles. Then I'm gonna slowly increase as the weeks move on. I have to look good, y'all. I'm taking these pictures for the boutique and I want to look good when I'm out of these clothes for y'all until I can find me some boutique baddies that can take over and I no longer have to be the model. But until then, health is wealth, and I want to look good in the clothes. Let's get this straight. I want to look good in the clothes, but first and foremost, health. Like I said, health is wealth. So just wanted to check in. I will catch you all later. I just dropped the package off to UPS and now I have to go to Walmart. It's a little bit late. I usually like to get to Walmart before 8 o'clock, but I mean, I had to walk. So now let's go to Walmart. Y'all look at here, Walmart have new baskets. Wow. Y'all, it's the hardest thing trying to find some bacon. I know we don't need it, but I'm making an omelet bake. We're eating breakfast for dinner. And I just have not found a good bacon that I just like. And look at this, bacon is so expensive. I don't need that much. Let's see about the center cut. I'm gonna just go for this one. So now I need pan sausage. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this log, the Jimmy Dean regular. And y'all, I always pull from underneath the top one.
Let's rock, let's rock. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always.
Y'all, I'm back in the car, getting ready to go pick DeAndre up. DeAndre is my son from football practice. It's almost that time. If y'all been watching my channel, then you saw on a couple of other vlogs where I put some videos of him on the football field. So it's close to that time, so we gotta go pick him up. It's only 9:45 in the morning, and when I tell y'all it's hot, I'm sweating, and then I can't turn the AC up because then y'all won't be able to hear me. But I can't vlog and drive, so I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all, I made it. Y'all see that right there? If you know anything about Houston, you know about North Shore football team. I always had a love-hate relationship with football. I still do. I love it, especially now that my boy is playing, but I hate it. And hate is a strong word. And I hate it because of the injuries and how physical the game is. And I know you can get hurt in any sport, but football is just the worst. Everybody know that. I mean, it's the most physical sport. Well, I guess one of the most, I don't know, but it's physical. So I'm just gonna sit back and wait on him. I'll see if he want to speak to the vlog when he gets in the car. You know, everybody else, people, let me just say people. When it comes to vlogging and when people see the camera, you have so many people that, no, don't put me on. They don't want to be in the camera, but they will grab their phone and be all in the camera. I don't understand. Y'all help me understand, because I don't. But anyway, we'll see if he want to be on the vlog. Y'all, it's 10:27. Say hello.
What's up, y'all?
They supposed to get out at 10 o'clock. All right, we gone. Good morning, vlog. Today is Thursday, and it is June 16th. I was supposed to be doing a day in the life vlog, but I guess it's going to turn into a weekly vlog because here I am at the track again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom. And don't forget your notification bell. Let me go ahead and get this workout in, and I will see you all a little bit later. All right, y'all, I'm done. Do y'all see this sweat check? Ooh, and I shaved 2 minutes off of my, I only did 2 miles. I'm doing 2 miles this week, and I'm slowly working my way back up because this is my first week back. I took like a 8-month break, So I'm not trying to kill myself to get back in it, but I walked 2 miles, and every day this week I've been walking it in 39 minutes. Now, hey, don't come for me in my time, okay? You may do it in less time than that. You may do it more time. It's just all about a self journey, okay? But 39 minutes, and today, actually, I think I did it in 36 minutes. But when I thought about it and looked at my watch, it was 37. So I'm gonna go with 37. So I knocked 2 minutes off. Yay me. Oh yeah, I'm still sitting here. I'm trying to get ready for Father's Day dinner. Sunday is Father's Day, and my baby girl told me what she wanted. She's not cooking, I'm cooking. But what she wanted me to cook for her dad. I don't know why, but I think it's a personal meal that she wants. I think she wants this meal, but she's saying her daddy would love it. But anyway, so I'm gonna cook it, and I have to go to the grocery store. I'm trying to catch my breath, y'all. That was good. Whoo, that was good workout, good workout. Now I gotta get these arms pumping, do my strength training. So anyway, y'all, I'll see y'all in a little bit. These grapes $10, y'all, they sting. I really don't know how to pick asparagus, y'all. I don't know. I just started eating it like last year sometime. I know I like the smaller ones like this. If y'all have like a way to determine which one is better, let me know. So I guess I'm gonna try this one. This is another issue I have with these bananas are just not good. I like to get mine a little green so that they can last a little longer. But you just can't find good bananas like that anymore. Y'all, I know I said I wasn't getting them grapes if they $10, but look how much they are. Oh, Lord, I'm going to get them, though. All right, I'm back in the car. Now, y'all, those grapes. Oh, my goodness. You know, produce is just way too expensive these days. But I am keeping my receipt. I will do a taste test when I get home. If they are not sweet, I promise you, I'm bringing them back. $8, way too much. I don't taste them in the store anymore. I used to do that. COVID. I am not doing that anymore. I'm going to wash them off, taste them when I get home, and if they're not sweet, they are coming back. We're going to the post office. I have a couple of packages to drop off. I just love when I receive orders from out of state. I have one that's going to Louisiana, and I have one that's going to the Bronx, okay? That means people are finding me. That is a prayer answered. I asked the Lord. I'm not getting into all that. So anyway, let's go to the post office.
Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want.
Packages are shipped. I need to get some gas, but I can't stand going to the gas station, so.
Later that same evening.
Hey, y'all. I am back. Y'all, it's hot. I'm sweating. But came back to let y'all know that I tried the viral TikTok spaghetti today. Now, I'm going to let y'all see it. I didn't bring y'all through me cooking it and doing all that. Like, I'm not that aesthetic pleasing girl. I don't have all that. But I want y'all to see it. And then I'm going to let the kids taste it on camera so we could get a real reaction to see how it is. So, look. All right, y'all, here it is. Now, look. I didn't have mozzarella cheese to top it with, but I had a, it's called Fiesta Blend cheese. So that's what I put on top. And y'all, it looks so good. Let's see how it tastes. All right, Chloe, we're waiting. Y'all, this is the baby girl. This is Chloe Alexis. And be honest, Chloe. Blow it. It's hot, girl. How does it taste? No, come on. Tell me how it tastes. Well, the fact that you're taking a second bite, is it good?
It's way better than regular spaghetti.
It's way better? Let me let y'all see something. Come on, look up. Pick your head up, girl. Y'all, she did her own makeup. All right, y'all. That's it. Let me eat. Happy Saturday, y'all. Today is June 17th, and it's the day before Father's Day. And I am currently working on my hair. I'm waiting on my barber to come so that He give me a fresh cut, and I think I'm going to do a crochet look, praying that it come out good. I'm trying to figure out what I want to get from the kids for their dad. I was thinking about getting him a new phone because he needs it. He still has the 11. It's yet hanging on, honey. So he needs a new phone, and y'all, I did my braid down. I can't help, I'm looking at it because it look jacked up. That's why I'm glad, you know, it's gonna be something over it. So anyway.
All right, man. Yes, sir. Y'all go on the page, watch the clothes, you watch the haircuts, you watch everything. God bless you.
Give me your website.
My website, BSMG Mobile, right here on the front of my shirt, man.
If you're in Houston,
if you're
that's Barbara in town. I'm
if you're
sorry.
outside of Houston too, we on a 50 to 100 mile radius.
But
Depending on what you're paying. God bless you.
All right.
Already.
Barbershop Man Gino. All right, y'all. He's showing y'all the part. This is his design.
Yeah, she waved up. Y'all gonna see it later on.
My barber have it going on. Mobile barbershop.
Get y'all one.
On wheels.
Hey, come get it.
Yeah.
Collaboration.
See this? This is info right here. So if you in Houston or within a 50 to 100 mile radius, hit him up. And he is professional, so you have to schedule your appointment online right here at this website address. Hey y'all, I forgot to let y'all know before we got here, we are at AT&T getting Tiki's cell phone from the kiddos. Say hi. And yes, y'all, I am wearing a mask. Let me tell you something, I've had COVID 3 times and I don't want it again. So I'm gonna wear my mask, okay? But I'll call y'all back. Hey y'all. I didn't get to show y'all my hair when I finished it, but this is it. It doesn't look like how I thought it would look. It didn't come out the way I thought it would. It's not the right hair. The last time when I had this style, similar to this, it was tighter, but it was with twist. And I don't know why I thought it was with the braids, but anyway, I will rock it. She's still cute. It's one of them that's like, ugh, why did I do this? But I mean, I spent my money on this hair, so I gotta at least wear it for a week. I'm gonna push it to 2 weeks, but I don't know because, ooh, child. Anyway, y'all, remember, gift is secured, and he has the iPhone 14, just the regular 14, y'all, and I'm still with the iPhone 13 Pro Max because, honey, phones are so overpriced and so overrated. I'm gonna use mine till I can't use it anymore. Whew, y'all, it is just it's way too hot for this. What the heck was I thinking, y'all? I need to pin this down. Keeps flopping in my face. But anyway, girl, fix your face. This is just raw. Look at this. I need a smoothing tool over the video so y'all, I could look like a real life filter. Anywho, we're about to go to Five Below and get a case and a screen protector and then on to Kroger. So y'all, Five Below was a wasted trip. They didn't have any screen protectors. They didn't have any, I'm sorry. They didn't have anything that I needed, but I picked up something that I wanted. Y'all, I don't know how me and this hair gonna make it. Good Lord. But anyway, we're hungry. So, what you feel like eating? I don't know either. We're now in Lowe's. I'm looking for a power introverter, which is one of those gadgets where you can plug up a lot of different things at one time and it charges into your cigarette lighter. That's not what we came in here for. If they're out, then it's a wrap. Hello, happy Sunday. Welcome to the vlog. And happy Father's Day. If you have any fathers out there watching, I don't know. I don't think so. Shouldn't be, but happy Father's Day. I am currently cooking dinner. We're having stuffed chicken breasts with a jalapeno in the middle, wrapped in bacon. We're going to have asparagus and macaroni. That's a balanced meal. We have a protein, a veggie, and a starch. Balanced meal. Why we don't? I'll show it to y'all when we get done. Because remember I told y'all, I really wish I could show y'all while I'm cooking, but I don't have that aesthetically pleasing looking kitchen. I don't need anybody all up in my comments saying something You know, like that. See, we got stuff on the refrigerator. I don't know if y'all do, but we do. And it's just stuff everywhere else. But anyway, I'm making the macaroni now. And and I baked the strawberry cake. I tried to do something different. The strawberry cake not aesthetically pleasing either now, but it's gonna taste good. Okay, y'all, here's the strawberry cake. There's a piece missing right there because Coco got a piece before she left and went back home. Now, do not talk about my cake and the way it looks. I know I tried to do something that I saw. I melted my icing. I just took some regular old strawberry icing and it just don't look good. But like I said, and then I have icing everywhere. Y'all, I tried. But anyway, she is going to taste good. I am going to finish cooking. All right, y'all, here it is. Might not look like much, but it sure will taste good. Y'all, here's the man of the hour. Say hello to the vlog.
What up, though?
How do you like your Father's Day gift?
It's good. It's great.
Can you raise it up and show it to him?
To the next level.
That is not the gift. He has the new iPhone 14 on iPhone game. Tell him adios. Adios. Hey, y'all. We're back. It's later on in the evening. Me and Miss Chloe. As y'all can see, bonnet is on. I took it halfway off because I got hot. But I am closing out this vlog. It's the end of the day on Father's Day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment because the comments matter. And I will catch each of you in the next video. Chloe?
Bye.
Adios.